Oh man, thank you Lord for another beautiful day. Yes. How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Look. Oh man, what a great afternoon to be outside. Oh, and I just showed you something that I probably shouldn't have showed you this yet. That's what the video's about. Garden time with Camaro Time. And when I posted videos before, for you guys that don't know, I posted videos where I was working on cars and everything, and I had dropped hints and stuff that I was doing something to the garden and that I needed to hurry up and finish that so I could get back to it, or I was actually delaying something because I was doing this. And what is it? Well, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Painting. Lots and lots and lots of painting. The wife got to feeling so sorry for me. She went out and bought me one of those Wagner Porter sprayers. Man, what a difference that made. Ooh, mosquitoes trying to suck the GoPro. But here we go. I'm gonna give you a quick garden tour and update. Nothing fancy. We don't have a whole lot going on. Matter of fact, something a little sad. Our peach trees, we lost that one. Well, we haven't lost it yet, but as you can see, it's in the process of completely dying out. It came out nice and it had buds and blooms on it, or had blooms on it, and then just all of a sudden it died. I don't know. Still got a few leaves up top. That's about it. The other ones are doing good. We have one in the very back corner, and I'll show you back there, that didn't make it. Turn you around real quick. So for right now, you'll just be first person view. But yeah, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of painting. I think I counted 299 pickets, not counting the 4x4 post, not counting the arbor. So you figure 299 on the outside, well, you got to paint the backside too, so that's the equivalent of painting 600 pickets. Like I said, that's not counting everything else. But we're not having a vegetable garden this year. We got our muscadines. The wife pruned them real heavy, and they seem to have really enjoyed it, because as you can see, muscadines on the way. Man, if I made wine, I could be rich with that stuff, because that stuff's good. Muscadines. But anyhow, we're not having a vegetable garden this year. We try to rotate every couple of years. We've got tomato plants over there, as you can see. I'll show it up close in a second. I got to come down here and mow and trim. It's supposed to start raining sometime tomorrow, and rain possibly out the rest of the week. But this whole bed, you can notice it's tilled up. The reason for that is it is slam full of wildflowers. The wife planted some zinnias, and the rest of it's got like 4 or 5 packs of wildflower seed. I mean heavy wildflower seeds planted in here. But got the fence painted. Formosa tree come out real nice. But if you remember from the last video, there used to be a peach tree right there. There, we lost it. It died. It's no more. So I went ahead and cut it down. Fig trees are doing wonderful. Doing really good. As you can see, figs on it. Wife makes some strawberry fig preserves that is out of this world. Man, get up in the morning, get you a piece of toast, and whether it be coffee or soft drink, whatever you're into, and a piece of toast with that strawberry fig preserve on it. We'll get around. Hey, more figs. Let's walk through it. Here we go. As you can see, there's lots of seeds coming up everywhere. Just, they're everywhere coming up. I hope they do really well. The wife's garden angel that she painted, pink with white wings. She's been on a pink kick here lately, which is fine with me. I don't care. Whole bed full of daisies. As you can see, I did her windmill for. We painted it silver, and it's got pink on the tips, and it's got pink on the tail section. Those are doing really nice. I thought she pulled all the broccoli out. I mean, all the garlic out of this. Oh well. That's doing good. This bed is empty. We don't have anything in it currently. Oh, tomato plants, forgot. She raised these from seed, so we've got plenty of tomato plants out here this year. If you're going to do anything in the garden, tomato plants. Summertime and tomato plants. But garlic, doing really good. As you can see, this is just a bed that she let go wild for nature, because we have a bunch of rabbits and stuff that come out and hop in there. They don't really mess with our garden because they have this. More tomato plants. And every time I see that freaking hose, I think of a snake. But this is the reason we're doing the wildflower garden this year, is because of bees. You know, bees have been on the downswing for a long time now, and we used to see them here pretty regular, but not so much anymore. So the wife wanted to do the wildflowers to try to bring some back. Anytime you have a bud or a bloom, you're going to have a bee, as you can see right there. There's another one right there. But where's the honeybees that you normally see? You know, they're the ones that do all the pollinating. Now you got the big bumblebees. There's another one over there flying around. You got the big bumblebees and the wasps that do all the pollinating now. Such a shame. Such a big shame. But we got more fig trees and Formosa trees that we can plant, need to plant. I painted the wife's table for pink. I left the chairs white. And then I made these for her a long time ago out of rebar. Just something that if she had a vine or wanted to do peas or whatever, green beans, whatever, she could just run it up on here and have that. Oh, and remember my monster tomato plant last year? Look at it. It came back. Because, you know, we just let the tomatoes that wasn't any good that we pulled, we just took them and chucked them down in the bottom and everything. And look at them, they're coming back. Sweet! More maters! Yes, I said maters. I'm from the South. Learn how to talk, people. Got one more project I'm going to do down, well, two more. I'm going to put a gate across here. I want to do a wrought iron gate because everything is white and stark and bright. I want to put something to contrast it, offset it. So I want to do wrought iron. I don't know what she's going to want. But we have a couple of little plastic things up there I'll show you. I'm going to put a 2x4 low and a 2x4 high, and then I'm going to put the things that I'm fixing to show you in between them. She's got her hummingbird lights down here. But a lot of people have been wanting an update on the garden because I posted it last year. So there you go. Nothing much going on. Just trying to do one thing at a time. We got some stuff coming up. Looking forward to tomatoes and muscadines. Squirrels got all the peaches again, so we ain't gonna get any peaches. And got a pear tree over there, which they're probably gonna get all the pears out of it too. Good old squirrels. But let me show you what I'm talking about up here. But I have two of these things. Let me get set up here and get back so you can see it. But they're not as wide as the opening down there, so and the one end is not closed. This end has something for it to set in. This is the bottom and that's actually the top. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a 2x4 across there and then take these brackets and move them to the end, and then I'll be able to attach it there, and then the same thing down there on that end, and that'll finish off the arbor down there, because as you can see from right here, the end of it is open. So I want to close that off and just make it look more finalized and finished. And yes, even painted the swing while I was at it. I figured while I was painting, let's paint. But that's pretty much it from the garden. I may do a few little pictures here and there, or little video clips, and put a montage together for you at the end. So if you want to see those, stick around. Not much going on this year. It's kind of slow because of the crazy weather we've had. Mosquitoes are booming. That's about it. But yeah, if you want to see that, like I said, stay tuned to the end and watch that, and I'll get out of here, get out of your way. Enough mumbling for right now. So you guys get out there and enjoy whatever it is you enjoy. I say enjoy your cars because it's so expensive. That's why you watch this channel anyway. But with all that said, get out there and do whatever you enjoy. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by.